I did bring the slack line. Yeah. Yeah.
So this isn't one, but like all around, like very, you might just run into one.
Massive. See? Now this one's a friendly one. I'm serious.
If you like us.
It's so... Look at him. Oh, he's so cute, his little whiskers. I don't know if they're whiskers, but whatever they are, they're cute. Wow.
So cool.
It's so unique, right? Like... No pressure. Holy. You got it. Nice. Here she comes. Oh, is this the one that you can drink from? Keep going. Yeah, it's so dangerous. If we turn it sideways, it's like you're abseiling. I think you could stand up. Yeah, you got it.
Beautiful, hey?
Yeah. So it was from the volcano?
Yeah, I think so. I could be heaps wrong though.
Is this how the first ever orthotic was made?
I think this is how we did it. This was back in, I think it was like somewhere around 50 mil BC. Yeah, I think 50 mil is what the textbook usually says.
Oh yeah?
There it is.
Oh, did you get it out? Wow.
Oh, no, oh no, it's too old.
Oh yeah, you got that.
That's your stride length when you're at that pace, mate. You look great.
Oh, I get so scared.
You can do it.
Oh, you got it.
Oh god. No, ooh.
See.
Can you,
Let me just measure it. Look at that.
Yeah? Over.
You got it.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Go, Liz. Yay!
Thank you so much.
Sorry?
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm a bit dramatic. I'm just gonna pretend I'm not scared.
No, you're not.
I'm not scared.
So good. Nice. Smash that one. By the end of this, you'll be so brave. I haven't spoken on the camera all day. We are out here in Springbrook National Park being shown around by the amazing tour guide Dan Kavanagh, and we're basically just running from one waterfall to the next, and it is incredible. Hopefully some of the footage shows you how amazing it is. Definitely recommend checking it out when you're next on the Gold Coast. Also, we've had some great progress. Lydia has significantly improved her downhill and technical running over the course of today. I'm very proud. You have. If we go back to the start and compare, I think you're miles apart. What did you say this was?
No, look at this stuff, so.
But what is it?
Obsidian maybe? I don't know. I'm actually probably heaps wrong because I've never done this. This is my first tour.
That's true. Lucky we're not paying you.
So when there's heaps and heaps of rain, this one will curtain through like the whole thing. So like all the way from that side to that side, there'll be a curtain waterfall.
Wow.
Not today.
It means we'll have to come back.
Yeah. Anytime. You have to do Shoes and Brews every month, so we have an excuse to come.
Hey guys, it just started raining. Shoes and Brews is on.
Yeah.
You got 7 minutes. Go the thing. Oh, we're off again. That was so good.
I love this thing. How good is this?
Yeah.
I want to do this. Because it gives me...
How's that? Delicious. Dan?
A good nana.
Good Nana, how's the run though?
Oh, that was good too, yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Yes.
What's your favourite shoe?
Favourite shoe would be, no doubt at all, depends on the category, but Asics Super Blast, because it does everything that you could ever need a shoe to do. You can go on one holiday, you can run quick, slow or medium. And then super shoe would be the Adidas Adios 3, because I like firm super shoes.
Nice. And what's your favourite running route?
Yeah, it is the Lambton Park 7K loop from my house. It's pretty simple, it's easy, I know what to do. It's flat, and you can also run a Cessna around there. So it's a route that can do everything.
Wow, just like a super blast.
Just like the Super Blast, there's a theme there. There's a theme.
So try on some shoes, chat a bit of shop, and at 7:20 I'll get you back and we might start to go for a little very slow trot. And the biggest thing we're going to do is keep to the left and only go in twos because there's lots of people on this pathway and I want this to be really safe and fun.
So when I went up with the
You could do. You could. Try it.
One of the communities of like was looking forward to going back. A lot of people, yeah, like you're able to figure out like, oh, you're different.
Oh yeah?
What?
I don't do much, she says.
I do nothing. Just sit on the couch. How to practice.
Try again.
Cut me some slack. These just look like they could get my eye.
Your eye will be down there.
I have this fear that will poke my eye out.
I think you'll be okay.
Like, look at that.
You've got enough space between you and that.
Like that.
Well, don't go right there then.
With me. My butt.
L shape. I think we can work it out.
I'm too scared.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh. Get that other leg up. Yeah. Oh, it's your butt.
Oh, it's your butt!
Measuring system did not work.
I thought it was going to be stuck over the
Why do you like that one? It's versatile. It's fun.